Welcome to this training session on rope and pulley systems. We will look at how to draw a pulley system to lift a given weight with a specified force. Pulleys are all about mechanical advantage. For a single pulley, the mechanical advantage is 2. So divide 100 by 2 and you get 50 pounds of force required to lift the weight. This is a block and tackle. Count the number of supporting ropes to determine the mechanical advantage. In this case it's 4. So 100 pounds would require 20 pounds of effort to lift. Your examiner asks you to draw a pulley that will lift 200 pounds with 50 pounds of force. The mechanical advantage would be 200 divided by 50, which equals 4. So you would draw a 4-rope system. Remember, don't count the effort rope. This concludes this training session. We hope you found it useful.